I want to begin tonight with that conviction overturned. His name is Michael Clancy, and he spent a decade in prison for a murder he has always said he did not commit. And tonight, a victory for him. A New York judge has thrown out his conviction. His family and friends obviously elated, and Mr. Clancy could soon be out of prison. Eyewitness News reporter Sarah Wallace at the courthouse in the Bronx with the story. Sarah?
Well, Bill, the family right now is in the process of posting $50,000 bond because of the paperwork. It is not likely Clancy will get out, more likely tomorrow. Now, the break in this case came when an eyewitness who did not testify at the murder trial came forward to say that he had critical information that could prove Clancy's innocence. A judge here found that information absolutely credible.
It was just something that nobody would like to go through, especially with the only son.
Gloria Clancy lost her son Michael to the legal system when a Bronx jury convicted the then 24-year-old of a murder that took place at this Domino's Pizza in March of 1997. The victim, a neighborhood man named John Buono. The only evidence, sketchy identification by two eyewitnesses. 10 years later, a federal informant, David Prieto, would come forward to swear that Clancy was innocent, that the real killer was someone with similar facial features. This man, Andrew DeJesus. Prieto testified that he was actually with the victim here that night, that he also knew both Clancy and DeJesus, that DeJesus was definitely the shooter, Clancy nowhere even near the scene. A judge ordered a hearing on a motion to vacate Clancy's conviction, with Prieto as the star witness. The twist is that during that hearing, Prieto revealed that years earlier he had told federal authorities he witnessed the Domino shooting and Clancy was innocent.
Federal authorities tell the Bronx District Attorney's Office, hey, you should know we think you've got an innocent man you're prosecuting. And the prosecutor then didn't care.
Bronx prosecutors still maintain they don't believe that David Prieto is believable. So your argument is still that he is guilty, Mr. Clancy is guilty?
Yes.
And are you going to retry him?
That's a decision my office has to make.
I just can't believe that they're prolonging this, because they know that he's innocent by now.
They will never admit that they make mistakes, but there's a lot of mistakes that have been made, not only on my son's case, in a lot of cases.
Now, because Clancy is technically still accused of murder, a judge did agree to prosecutors' request for that $50,000 bail. We asked them about whether or not they have tried to talk to Andrew DeJesus, the man that the eyewitness says is the real killer. They said they talked to him early on before the trial, but since then they have had no contact, and right now they have no plans to seek him out. Live from the Bronx, Sarah Wallace, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Sarah, thank you. Another day.